Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Dream to English. In this particular video, I am going to discuss 5 phrasal verbs with Hindi meaning as well as English meaning. One more thing, I will discuss 5 phrasal verbs that start with E alphabet in English. So make sure do watch this video till the end. So let's dive into phrasal verb. So what exactly is phrasal verb? Phrasal verb is a verb that is combined with an adverb or a preposition or sometimes both to give new meaning. So let's learn phrasal verbs that start with E alphabet in English. So here is a first phrasal verb, eat into, to take away or use up a large number of resources over a certain period of time. हिंदी मीनिंग है खा जाना, नष्ट करना. इसका एग्जाम्पल है डोंट ईट इनटू योर सेविंग्स टू पे फॉर दैट फैंसी न्यू स्मार्ट फोन. नेक्स्ट वन इज इंटर इनटू, टू बिगिन, टू डिस्कस और टू डील विद समथिंग. प्रारंभ करना, खोलना. Let's not enter into details at this stage. Next one is enter on, enter upon something. To start, to do something or become involved in it. आरंभ करना. She entered upon a love affair that was to ruin her marriage. Next one is explain away. To give reasons why something is not your fault or why something is not important. व्याख्या द्वारा समझाना. It will be hard for his lawyers to explain away this new evidence. Eat up, to eat all of something. सब खा जाना. Eat up, we have got to go out soon. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any comment, any doubt, you can put your comment or doubt in comment section. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.